loves. So today, because you guys know that I'm going on a trip very soon, I'm going to be showing you exactly what I have in my carry-on bags. A lot of people don't really know what to pack in their carry-on bag. I mean, just like me, I was looking at YouTube videos like,
I don't know how to do the things.
And all of them were kind of a little bit different. Depending on what type of trip you're going on, sometimes you just need to pack accordingly to that. So let's get right to this. If you guys didn't know, I got this carry-on from Forever 21. It was originally like 40, almost 50 something dollars, and then I ended up getting it for about 35, and that was like including tax, which is pretty nice because like sometimes the internet is your friend. Find them coupons, y'all. If you're doing like a weekend bag or something like that, this is a good thing. Like if you're going over your friend's house or whatever and you want to pack like your whole life, then this is like a really good thing to have. And it's sturdy, and it also has this cute little strap on there, cute little shoulder strap. I showed you guys this in the other video, but yeah, like, ooh, slaying and swaying. That didn't really sound right. Let's just forget that. I'm gonna open the bag. So I'm gonna set it off to the side so I can just kind of pull things out. So, cause y'all know my videos is unorganized. I have two sets of shoes in here. I have these right here. I saw these on Charlotte Ruse's website. I was gonna buy them from Rainbow Shops, but then I saw them on Charlotte Ruse's website for like $13.99, which is really, really nice. And they're very, very, very comfortable. I can see myself walking around in these all day. They're like Birkenstocks, which are really, really cute. And then they're white. I never got white shoes because like my mom always used to tell us like, don't get white shoes. Like every time she would buy us shoes, like when we were growing up, she'd be like, don't get white shoes. You're gonna get them dirty anyway. But I'm an adult. Can pretty much wear these a little bit anywhere. I don't know if I'm gonna wear these to the beach per se. I'll probably wear some like my flip-flops. I'll just show you guys those in a second. But these right here, man. And then the fact that they were like $13.99 makes them even more bomb, because on the other website I had saw them for almost like $20. So Charlotte Russe, y'all always there for me. Thank you. So the next thing being my Old Navy flip-flops. I have like a ton of these actually in my suitcase. They're like right over here, but you can't really see it. But they're in my suitcase. I have some of flamingos on it, things like that. These are pretty like cheap flip-flops, but they last you for a very long time. They're really hard right now, but like once you start breaking them in, they start getting squishy and kind of like mesh to your foot, which is really nice. I can't even speak today. Mesh. Like I just put these in there because duh, they cute. These cost me about, I think it was like $2.99 because they were having a sale or something like that. This next thing is pretty cool. I'm sorry for all the, I'm sorry. So this next thing is pretty cool. I'll probably link most of this stuff down below if I can find it, because some of this stuff I did get from like TJ Maxx, and y'all know how TJ Maxx is. It's like it's here or it's not. So either that or I'll like find something similar. This next thing really quick, I'll definitely link this in there. These. Sorry, there's like a little glare. My light's right there. But this right here is a waterproof cell phone case or holder, whatever you want to do, because we're gonna be on the beach like quite a bit. So I'm gonna like slide my phone in there. I can actually show y'all real quick. The other one, like, it kind of came as a buy one get one free type of deal, which is really cool. And I got these off of Amazon, which is really, really nice. I've watched my videos and I've noticed that I say really, really nice a lot. Just like okay. I say okay a lot. So just bear with me, y'all. I'm gonna take my case off of my phone. Sorry, there was a little spit there. And what you just do is you'll unsnap these things on the top, and then what you do is you're going to slide this right inside, and you gotta make sure those things stick out. It's kind of tricky once you get it, but then once you get it, I almost had a heart attack. So yeah, and then it's just like this there. And you can just like actually like just, you know, you can still touch it, which is really nice. That's what I was looking for. And it even still can use my thumbprint. Bomb. If you want to look into that, like even if you don't want to put your phone in here, you could put like money, you could put like your passport or something in here. This is a really nice thing to have. So I'll link this right below, and usually you can get a 2-pack, and it doesn't just come in black. I get black because it's as dark as my coffee and my humor. You guys can get like, they have I think pink, and then they have white as another option. I think you would have to search for a totally different one if you did want a different color. Now I will say this, before you actually use this and go like blatantly right for the water, do the tissue test. If you don't know what the tissue test is, you literally like put a piece of tissue inside of here and you dunk it after you close it, because then it'll like tell you like, hey, this works, or if this doesn't work, because the tissue will either be soaked or it won't be soaked. So try that out first before you actually do this, because I don't want anybody like, you know, damaging their phone, not having a phone at the end of the day, because these expensive. So the next thing that I have in here is my passport. If you guys can see that there, it looks really pretty. It looks like it's got like paint strokes on there, because that's my thing. It's actually like just flat. It gives you that look, and this was a really nice thing that I found on Amazon as well. So if you guys do like this, I will link this below if you guys do want something like this. My sister actually got one that was like galaxy and nebula themed, along with her friend. Like they got literally like 2 different colors, which are really cool. Definitely check that out. It's just a nice little thing to have. And then like if you did want to, you could put like your credit cards and stuff in here, because there's these little flaps. And then if you just like have like a boarding pass or anything like that, you can kind of like sneak it in there. So pretty nice. The other thing that I have, this is for my phone. I thought that this was pretty neat. Also got this off of Amazon. This is not sponsored, by the way. I bought all of this stuff with my own cash. Amazon, like if y'all want to hit me up, y'all totally can. I bought this off of Amazon, and it's actually for my phone. It's like a little mini tripod, and you could bend it. So it's all bendy and stuff like that. Like, this is really cool. It also comes with the little camera clicker. So that way, if you wanted to start your camera without you having to boop, poke it, you could do it hands-free, which is the bomb. And it came with this little case, so that way it doesn't get dirty or messed up. And it comes with other attachments if you did want to hook up like a GoPro to it, which is nice. And then this is just the little clicker thing that I was telling you guys about, so I can keep this around my neck if I wanted to, along with my lanyard, or like keep it in my little waterproof phone case. Boom, I am ready. So also the other thing that I have is this. It is an extension cord, because I'm going on a cruise. So yeah, they need like non-surge protector type of like extension cord. So I also got this off of, guess where, Amazon. That way like I can actually plug this in, and then we won't have any issues with the cords or the plugs or anything on the ship. And we have like multiple outlets. There's like 3 on here, which is nice. I think this costs like $7.99, which is not technically bad, because like it's a pretty long extension cord. And I'm just keeping this in my bag because I really don't want anything happening to this Banana Boat Sport, because skin cancer is real, y'all. So y'all really need to put on sunscreen. Like, I mean, like, it just takes a moment. I cannot stress that enough. Like, I am very like, you know, hazardous when it comes down to the sun and things like that, because I go to the beach a lot. So just get you some like SPF or something like that. Even in the snow, like the rays are even stronger because the light is reflecting off of the snow. Like, just get something. Even makeup, some makeup has SPF in it, so like just double check that. I cannot stress this enough. This is very important, because like you don't even think to like put it on like when you're in the snow or anything like that. Just make sure that you have some form of protection on your face or your body, whatever is exposed. I've known people where it has happened, so do not take this for granted. This is just the Banana Boat Sport, and it's like power stay technology, so it stays on the entire time. And because like I'm such a big person on this, I get SPF 50 because like I want it to stay on, I want it to be there, and I want it to protect me fully because I'm gonna be like, I love being in the sun and I know I'm gonna be there all day. So like if you feel like you're gonna be there all day and everything like that, just get you some SPF 50. The other thing is it's just like moisturizing stuff. It's called It's the Balm Marshmallow Magic, and it's by Bath and Body Works. I don't really know what it is. I think it's just lotion, or it's like, you know, a lotion mixed with a balm, because it's like thick and creamy like this, which is cool. And then like when you like moisturize your legs or something like that, like say after you shaved or something like that, it feels really nice. And it stays on. It doesn't like go away like automatically. So this is a good thing to have. I'll try and find this on the website. It may only be like a one-time thing because you know how Bath and Body Works does their thing. The other thing that I have is this. It's a neck pillow. I know some people do not like these things. It's kind of weird because I got my scarf on. But I know some people don't like these things. But this is memory foam. And this one is actually made by Steve Madden. This is the one thing that I actually found at TJ Maxx. It was going to be $24.99. And I had to like do a double take because like it said something else on the back. And I was like, what you say? It was a $12.99 sticker. And I was like, this can't be real. And then like I looked at the one behind it, had the same thing. So I ended up getting a Steve Madden little fur. It's literally furry. It's a black fur type of neck pillow, which is really, ooh, girl, it's about to be a nice little trip that I have. So yeah, this is a really nice thing to have if you do like neck pillows. I know some people don't like neck pillows. They're like, oh, they're uncomfortable, I don't like them. That's fine too. Like if you just want to get a regular pillow or something like that, you can. But this feels so nice. I'm so glad that I invested in this. I'll try and find this. Like I said, the TJ Maxx thing, sometimes it's a little bit iffy. I will try for y'all because I care about y'all. This is something that my mom gave to me because we're gonna be staying in such close quarters and stuff, and I'm like staying with my boyfriend, so we're gonna be so close that there's not gonna be any air to breathe if said thing happens. So she got us this. If you guys don't know what this is, I'll hold it in my hand. This is Poo-Pourri. It is literally called Poo-Pourri, and what you do is you spray this on the water in the toilet before you have to do your thing, and it keeps it from smelling really, really bad, and it actually makes it smell even better, which is the weirdest thing. So she just gave me this little thing because like, I mean, we're only gonna be there for a couple days, and it's nice. Like, I mean, it's a nice little bottle. It smells really good. If you wanted to test them out, you can always like open it and test it out if you wanted to. But this is just a nice little thing to carry if you're at a rest stop or you're in like close quarters with somebody. If you're going camping with somebody and y'all share the same bathroom, that's a good thing to do. When they came up with this was like a really good idea, even though it's really weird because, sorry, everybody poops and it all stank. I don't care. Like, you can meet anybody in the world, we all poop, and it smells horrible. So this is a good thing to have. Now, the other thing that I keep with me, like close dearly to my heart till I die, is my sunglasses. I'll actually take off my glasses so you guys can, you know, I got a model. So yeah, these are my first ones. They're kind of dirty. I need to clean these. But these are my first ones. I got this from like a place in Michigan. It's called Pattaya. If you guys don't know about it, I can put the website down there as well. They may not have these online. We'll see what happens. Just because like it's a little boutique type of situation. So things change, like, you know, weekly or daily, however it works out. But I love them. I love them to death. Me and my fave, we love them. These are the first ones that I got. These are $8. And then I got these other ones. I feel like these are so like vintage, like 70s. I love it. And these are my second ones. And please don't mind my hair. I'm gonna get my hair braided soon. So yeah, like I got these. I love these so much. I love vintage things, and it just like matched my personality to a T. So there we go. And these were also $8. Last but not least, in my bag, I have just like a sweatshirt, and I got this from Victoria's Secret. It's just like a regular like hooded sweatshirt. It's really light, but it's still something just in case like if it rains or if I'm just like a little bit chilly. It's a nice thing to keep in there. So I would just recommend that. Also, it's a good thing to actually pack like a swimsuit in your carry-on if you don't know. And then it's also a very good thing to pack like maybe an extra set of clothes if you have that much room. So if you guys like this video and you enjoyed it and you want to see more videos like this, please hit that like button. That lets me know exactly what y'all want to see. And thank you guys again for 52 subscribers. I'm so happy that you guys enjoy this content. I'm like, what did I do to deserve it? And then if you really like seeing my face, or if you don't like seeing my face and you just like seeing the artwork and stuff like that, hit that subscribe button. And then also please share this video with a friend. Also, I'm going to be making a video of the snacks that I'm bringing with me. So if you do want to see that, I will have that in a separate video for the next week. So I will see you love soon. Peace out. Bye.